is about alternates and 1 and 2 nav. We're going to look at that real quick. All right, the flight 1972 from Lynchburg to Little Rock, and we're looking at Baton Rouge for an alternate. There's a NOTAM, runway 22 right, glide slope is out. The aircraft will be flying is a CRJ. The flight director is INOP as well as the autopilot. So let's see how that comes into play. All right, for the purpose of determining a weather alternate airport, what is the forecast at Baton Rouge at our ETA? All right, so our ETA, as you can see here to the right, is 1800 Zulu. And if we go down the tempo temporarily, so it's the 12th on 18, it is 1 statute mile visibility, thunderstorms and rain, broken 500, and scattered 2,000. All right. So what are the lowest legal 1 nav alternate weather minimums for Baton Rouge? So the approaches we have are some RNAVs, ILS localizer 13, ILS localizer 22 right, VOR 4 left, and VOR DME 2 right. So we can't use the RNAV, we don't have GPS, and the ILS for 22 is out. So that leaves the lowest 1 nav alternate weather at Baton Rouge is ILS 13 or 13. And it calls for a half statute mile visibility, a DA of 200 feet above the ground, and we don't have autopilot, like I said, or flight director, so we cannot use the 1800 RBR. All right, with 1 nav, so we're going to add 400 feet to what we just looked at, so that brings you up to 667 feet. The reason we're doing that is if you look over here to the right, it has the RNAV 1 which you need to do, so add 400 feet and then add 1 mile. So we're looking at about 1.5 statute miles visibility. So as of right now, we cannot use Baton Rouge as an alternate because it's broken at 500 and 1 statute mile visibility. So we can't use it as of right now. So we're going to move on to 2 nav and see if we can use it then. All right, if you look to the right for the 2 nav, you add 200 feet to the higher DA of the 2 approaches, and half miles of visibility to the higher approaches. So the ILS is out on the 22. That's going to be the localizer. All right, so the MDA there, if we add to it, is 480 and 3/4 statute miles. So if we look at add 200, we're looking at 680 and add the half mile visibility. So we're looking at 1 1/4. All right, so as of right now, we still cannot use Baton Rouge as an alternate. So if we did not have the NOTAM, if the ILS was working on runway 22, let's look and see what would happen then. So on the left side, you have the ILS 22, so the DA is 270, 3/8 statute miles visibility. The ILS 13 is half statute miles visibility, a DA of 267 feet. So if we apply our 2 nav over here, we add 200 to the add 200 to 270, so we got 470 feet. 1 statute miles visibility, and on the ILS we've got 1 statute mile visibility and a DA of 467. So if the ILS is operative at Baton Rouge, it is an appropriate alternate. That's the presentation. Hope you enjoyed it.